From the whispers of guardian angels comes a revelation about your relationship that will shock you. Your partner has never experienced true love before you showed up in their life. Why? The angels are revealing that others who wanted your partner are now losing their minds with jealousy. Imagine understanding that you're the first person to love them authentically. That's what's happening right now. The divine messengers feel certain about showing you this truth and are excited for you to discover what the T in their message really means. If you believe in sacred connections, give a like and subscribe. Your guardian angels want you to know that this love has been destined for a very long time. I need you to really focus on what I'm about to reveal. The angels are specifically highlighting this next part for you. The angels want you to know that your partner has been waiting their entire life for genuine love like yours. It's like they've been carrying the weight of empty relationships and fake connections. The secret: you're the first person to truly see their soul. Discovering this might feel overwhelming, and feeling protective or emotional is totally okay. In the quiet moments of divine wisdom, there's a whisper from the heavens spinning a story about someone whose heart was locked away. This tale isn't just about any kind of love, it's about a soul who was surrounded by people wanting things from them instead of loving them truly. They turned away from family members seeking control and past partners fixed on status and appearances. Your gaze settled firmly on their genuine heart instead of the shallow benefits that others chased. You loved them for who they are, completely ignoring what everyone else wanted from them. Now others are watching your connection, they can't stand seeing this real love, consumed by jealousy and too bitter to hide their envy any longer. If these words light something beautiful inside you, if they echo the love you've been giving, give a like and type "forever" in the comments. Let's spread the powerful message that the divine messengers have shared with us. They remind us that true love isn't something you can measure in gifts alone. It's not counted by how many romantic dates you plan. No, true love is found in the selflessness of your actions and in the care that flows from your heart, touching your partner deeply. You are precious, valuable, and rare, regardless of what you can offer materially. Your real worth shines brightly through the unconditional support you give and the genuine acceptance you show, lighting up their world in ways possessions never could. Let this message be a beacon for those who loved purely and got criticized for it. Remember, even when faced with judgment or jealous attacks, your authentic heart, your loyal spirit, and your capacity for real connection define you far beyond any shallow relationship could. Stand tall knowing that your love is sacred, and let the knowledge that you are chosen and appreciated for who you are, not what you provide, be the light that guides you both forward. Let me share something that happened just 2 months ago. David, a viewer just like you, was in a relationship where everyone doubted him. Every day, his partner's family would question why they were together. His partner had dated wealthy people before, lived a luxury lifestyle, and everyone expected them to go back to that world. But David kept giving pure love, hoping his heart was enough. Then one evening, his partner sat him down with tears in their eyes. At first, David thought it was over. But as his partner spoke with shaking voice, they revealed that they were cutting off 3 ex-partners who kept offering money and trips. His partner chose David's simple, genuine love over a lifestyle worth millions. David messaged me crying. "How did you know?" he asked. "You talked about jealous exes the week before this happened." That's because these messages aren't just random, they are divinely timed. The angels whisper to me who needs to hear what message. And today, they are whispering about your relationship. Right now, place your right hand over your heart and your left hand over your partner's heart if they are with you, or place both hands on your own heart if you're alone. This physical position opens your love protection channels and strengthens your sacred bond. If this message is touching your soul, consider joining our spiritual family by becoming a member. Members receive exclusive relationship predictions, personal love guidance videos, and special protection ceremonies for couples every week. Just click the join button below, Your angels are waiting to shield your connection on a deeper level. Stay with me until the end because I'm going to reveal the specific moment when your love broke through your partner's walls and why jealous people can't handle seeing it. The universe is secretly protecting your path to lasting love, like building a fortress that keeps your connection safe from negative energies. So there's no reason to worry. Your guardian angel is giving you a heads up that all the forces of divine love are working overtime just for you too. They're like your personal relationship protection team, helping you grow stronger and reach for forever together. Time is moving quickly, but guess what? You're about to experience love like never before. Your angels are hinting that you're super close to unbreakable unity. The universe is moving fast to make sure jealous people can't touch what you've built, setting you up for a journey that's once in a lifetime. Picture yourself sitting with your partner in a peaceful place. The warmth feels comforting around you both. You hold their hand, look into their eyes, and there it is, complete trust and safety. Your hearts beat in rhythm as you realize nothing from the outside can break this bond. Inside is the feeling of coming home, finally finding someone who loves you for real. How can you be certain this message is meant for your relationship? The universe sends clear signs when true love is present. If you've experienced any of these 7 divine signals recently, prepare yourself. This is confirmation you're the first real love. First, your partner opens up to you about things they never told anyone else, sharing fears and dreams they kept hidden. Second, you've had dreams about protecting something precious together or building something that lasts forever. Your subconscious is showing you the truth. Third, you've noticed your partner's old connections suddenly reaching out or showing up unexpectedly. The universe is testing your bond. Fourth, you've recently felt unusually protective of your partner without knowing why, like a divine instinct to guard what's sacred. Fifth, you've noticed angel numbers like 222 or 1111 when thinking about your relationship. Sixth, you've felt unusual peace about your love lately, even when others criticize it. And seventh, you felt a wave of emotion, maybe even tears or deep recognition, while watching this very video. That's your soul confirming truth when it hears it. Look carefully at what happens in your relationship in the next 48 hours after hearing this message. The signs will confirm everything I'm sharing with you today. If this message of true love is what you needed today, show some love with a like and drop a 777 in the comments. Wait, before I continue, I'm getting a strong message specifically for someone watching right now. If you've been feeling attacked by your partner's past connections or their family lately, this protection message is crucial for you. The next part is essential. The big message here is that something beautiful is happening, opening hearts that seemed locked tight before. But there's a bit of work to do first. It's time to strengthen your love foundation against any doubts that threaten your bond. This might mean having to set boundaries with toxic people and making some brave decisions together, but to really protect this sacred future, it's a step you both must take. Ready to protect this blessing? Hit like and say "protected" in the comments to show you're committed. When jealousy attacks come, and they will, here are the 5 critical steps to take that both protect and strengthen your love. Step 1. Pause and communicate. Don't make any big relationship decisions when others pressure you. The angels say many destroy divine connections by letting outside voices control them. Instead, light a pink candle together, express gratitude for finding each other, and sit with your bond. Step 2. Create a sacred couple space in your home. Clear off a shelf or table, place a red or pink cloth over it, and add symbols of your love like photos or meaningful objects. This becomes your relationship altar where you'll reconnect and remember your truth. Step 3. Share your challenges with only one trusted friend each, someone who carries positive energy about love. Negative voices and jealous people can poison your connection. Step 4. Visualize your protection with this powerful exercise. Each night before sleep, hold hands if together or imagine holding hands if apart. See a golden light surrounding you both. Feel any jealous energy bouncing off this shield. End by saying together or alone, "Our love is protected, our love is sacred, our love is forever." Step 5. Support each other completely when others attack. The universe operates on unity. When you defend your love together, it creates unbreakable strength. Take 3 deep breaths with me right now. Breathe in unity, exhale division. Breathe in trust, exhale the jealousy from others. Breathe in divine protection, exhale fear of losing each other. God's plan is like this. After you push aside all those outside voices that try to break your bond, it's time to focus on nurturing your love every single day. This means taking care of your connection, your trust, and your commitment. It's about being grateful, learning about healthy relationships, setting boundaries together, and sticking with them. It's like saying, "I won't let anyone destroy this sacred gift." Remember, every loving choice you make together matters. Just strengthen your bond bit by bit each day and let the universe handle the jealous people. You can't control how others react, but you can choose how you love, how you protect each other, and how you grow together. Aim to see the blessing you found and take daily steps toward forever. God sees the amazing life you're capable of building together, so keep that faith in your love and don't ever give up on each other. See yourself standing together years from now, still holding hands. The people who were jealous have moved on with their own lives. You walk into family gatherings where everyone now respects your bond. You feel a mixture of peace and pride. This is not just a relationship, it's a testament to real love winning. Notice the deep red color of the heart you both share, the same color that represents the passion and loyalty this connection is built on. The color of eternal flames and unbreakable bonds, symbols of the unlimited potential the universe sees in your love. In just a moment, I'll reveal the exact moment when your partner realized you were different from everyone else, and why that moment made jealous people lose their minds. If this message awakens something powerful in you, hit like and drop an amen in the comments. The angels are showing me that the moment was when you loved your partner during their worst time, when they had nothing to offer you, when everyone else walked away. That unconditional love changed everything. You might be wondering about certain aspects of this divine connection, so let me address the 4 questions I'm hearing from your angels. Why are people so jealous of our love? The souls watching you see something they never achieved, authentic connection that can't be faked. They're jealous because deep down, they know they never loved or were loved this purely. How do we handle partners' exes or past connections? While exact boundaries vary, the celestial guidance suggests complete honesty with your partner and unified decisions. Don't engage with jealous people alone, always face them together as a team. What if my partner's family doesn't approve of me? Divine love doesn't require everyone's approval. Anyone trying to break your bond isn't acting from love. The true blessing is between you two, only your mutual commitment matters. How do we protect our relationship spiritually? Your souls are already connected on levels beyond this world. The very fact you're hearing this message now is confirmation that you've both spiritually evolved to the exact point needed to handle this sacred love and defend it together. Those feeling the love protection already strengthening can send a super thanks blessing of $5, $10, or $20. Each super thanks you send amplifies your own relationship energy and helps this channel reach more couples who need these divine messages. Remember, supporting love's message opens the door to receiving deeper connection yourself. I wasn't planning to share this detail, but I'm being guided to tell you something important about your connection. Your souls actually chose each other before this lifetime. This is a soul contract, a divine agreement made in heaven to find each other and love purely. If you're asking for guidance to protect this sacred love, especially when jealous people seem so determined to break you apart, I'm asking the universe for help to wisely guard this connection that's blessed my life. Love's like a precious flame that others want to blow out, and I'm whispering into the heavens hoping for strength. With a grateful heart and arms open wide, I'm saying please help me cherish this partner and make wise choices together. I'm thankful for this soul deep love and asking for the courage to defend it proudly. I feel blessed like I'm holding something priceless and want to protect this bond wisely. I need guidance to help us stand united against jealous attacks. I admit I'm hopeful, dreaming of our future, something to fill our days with joy and let our love spread outward, turning our world into proof that real love exists. To the kind spirit of unity, you're so generous and wise. Our future's all bright with possibility, and I'm asking you to guide us and keep this love growing strong like eternal fire. Let our gratitude fly high into the sky, leading us to wisdom with each choice. With your support, the jealousy of others will fail, and we're looking forward to a life that's connected and beautiful. As we protect this love, take this prayer, and if you feel blessed too, hit like, joining us in hoping for a protected and eternal journey together.